What is the future of Unite? Pretty much exactly what we've been doing. Having this amazing boutique brand, creating incredible products with integrity that are needed in the marketplace, and making sure that we do the right thing. And when I say we do the right thing, always supporting hairdressers, making sure that we've got Gary's team, Gary's education supporting them, myself supporting them when it comes to some business education. Jared understanding what actually needs to be delivered, to the hairdresser. So I think the future of Unite is extremely bright. I'd like more people to understand what we do. And what we really do is making sure that we've got beautiful hair out there all the time, and we stand behind it.
I think the future of Unite is going to be innovation in new products. It's important for us to see what's happening in the future of hair, and we will keep a close eye on that. And I'm excited for the new products that are going to come out in our future and watch it evolve with hair fashion and styles.
I think the future of Unite, in my eyes, is making the brand and products more accessible to those that want to try it and already love it. It's probably the number one thing that we get asked about, is they want easy access to products that, again, they haven't tried, they've heard of. So continuing to do that while keeping all the cachet of the brand and that special feeling that we've spent 22 years building, I think is really where the future lies. And just making sure people understand who we are and what our mission is.
I think from a creative standpoint, what I do like is that, especially when we do the shows, we have not only got hairdressers that have never used the brand before experiencing it and being blown away by its performance. We have models and people who work in PR, etc., all experiencing that and having the same feedback. But also that old adage of, like, if it's not broke, don't try and fix it. But we're certainly always progressing, improving, and never standing still. I think that's been a real key thing about Unite Hair.